Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm gonna try a butterfly for it. I don't know. Something butterfly. Maybe short. So I already crocheted this one. I'm gonna crochet number 2. The other one. I'm just trying something new and I want to see if I can pull it off so that maybe I'll try to do my head. This is my mini braid. It's been like 3 weeks old now. So I don't want to remove it yet. So I'm just trying to find ways. So there's my braid inside here is this one. I'm gonna just put it in sandwich in between this one because I don't want to be long. So this is the last thing that I've put here. I'm gonna just look at this. Then yeah. Then we start wrapping. Just wrap. Good wrapping. Alright. So just make sure on the beginning of the thing it's very tight. You see, I always leave. Let me start it. Just make sure there's no gap. That's what I want to do. To make sure I do not leave any gap. Alright. I want something neat, something warm. So as I'm attempting to do a butterfly thing, I have to wrap my hair, then release it, then continue wrapping. Here I'm not putting too much pressure. Then I have to do another one. Then we continue. Because I don't want it to be too long. I'm just gonna improvise with whatever. Just borrowing from Jen to when I reach this side, I'm just gonna do it upwards. So with the time, what do you think? If I make it low, it's gonna look nice. This is my first attempt, by the way. I think I need to fix make sure it's secure this one. But I'm not mad at it. I just want something small just to test the water. Maybe I'll do my whole braid. This is what I was attempting to do. I was attempting to do this. Not I am attempting to do this. So I think that's okay. I will just change maybe the hair color. We'll just use the same hair. Don't mind the white stuff, it's gem. So what best do you think? Should I do my whole head but long? Maybe I should do with curls or something. If you want the smaller one, we can do this, but